You can hear we've got a lot of things going on here. Incredibly loud. And yeah, just 1 second. Do you mind? Like, Dan, I'm really sorry. I don't want to be a killjoy, but...
No, don't worry.
Hey Klangfarbe, it's Chris here from Oberheim, Sequential, Novation, Adam Audio and Focusrite. We're here in the Focusrite group room at Superbooth, and I've got with me the brand new TEO-5, the latest synthesizer from Oberheim, 5-voice analog polysynth, TEO-5, T-E-O, Thomas Elroy Oberheim. We've used Tom's name, literally, it's on the back here, it says Oberheim, but also the name of the synth is based on Tom's name, and it's just amazing to have that guy back in the world of making synthesizers. So TEO-5 is, as I've said, 5 voices. It's got the SEM filter in here, and this is a really wonderful non-self-oscillating 2-pole state variable filter with a lot of personality and a really quite an amazing sound. We've got 2 oscillators per voice as well. We've got a whole load of modulation on the top here. And essentially what that means is we've got that Oberheim sound, but we've got all this really wonderful additional stuff that you want to find with a synthesizer, all the modulation, mod matrix, all of that great stuff. I should probably play some sounds to let you hear how it sounds. So here we've got a nice sort of sequential style pad. And hear that wonderful filter that we've got. Now let's just go back to a patch here. We'll go for this nice OBX pad. Again, we'll open up that filter and I will bring in the resonance so you can kind of hear how that sounds. Really lovely and really rich filtering. But as I say, it's state variable, so what we can do here is just bring into the notch mode. Get some really nice, almost phaser type effects there with the notch filter. And then we can move that through to the high pass. So yeah, a really nice sound, but of course we've got all this wonderful modulation on the top panel as well. So maybe we could just start with a basic program here, and let's just go and get that set up. We've just got our basic sawtooth waveforms. With the waveforms, we just switch them in as we want them. So here I can have all 3 of the wave shapes coming through. Nice, rich, complex oscillator sound. Yeah, and we can do things like that. Bring in the second oscillator, just detune that a touch. But let's say I want to modulate something, and I think I want to modulate the state variable side of it. So I'm going to just grab one of the LFOs, press destination, move that pot, and it's now connected to it. So I can now use the amount control here, change the speed. Just sounding pretty nice. I'll just maybe add a little bit more to that. Now we've got some effects over here as well. We've got a dedicated reverb, so I'm going to bring a bit of reverb in there. And I've also got my effects up at the top here with things like delay. So here's a bucket brigade delay. Maybe a little bit more feedback. So really lovely sound. Now, another really nice thing that we've got here on the TEO-5 is we've got through zero cross modulation. So basically true FM. What does that mean? Well, basically through zero cross modulation means that we can do our FM between the oscillators, but keep everything nicely in tune. Exponential FM will just kind of knock the tuning out as you're doing it, and exponential is what we've had on Oberheim synths before, on the OBX8 for example, on the OB6, and also on the sequentials we've got polymod, and that's the same thing, it's exponential FM. But on this one we've got, we've got through zero. So let's just get a little patch set up. So I'm going to go for this. So we've just got a nice kind of triangle waveform, and as I increase this now, Again, we can use the filter here, just maybe bring up that sound. I'm just going to quickly hit a record and just record a quick sequence in here because we've got a built-in sequencer too. Okay, bit of a random sequence, but I'll just hit play. Maybe add a little bit of modulation to this filter. So we can go from some very rich, typical Oberheim style sounds to some pretty crazy, well, very crazy FM sounds as well. But let's go back to a different sound. Let's go for this one. Okay, this is a nice pad. And I've got the aftertouch on the keyboard here, so I'm just pushing down and getting that extra sound in there. So it's a huge sounding instrument. It's really all about that SEM filter sound for me. It's just got that really lovely original SEM sound. But of course, it's 2024, it's nearly 50 years since that original synth came out. So now what we've got is this really nice modern package and all these wonderful modulation destinations to play around with as well. So that's TEO-5. It's going to be available, we're hoping, in July, around about that sort of time. So yeah, around about that time, check out your Klangfarbe store. I'm sure there'll be one there for you to go and play. Go and try it out, and I'm pretty certain that you're going to love it when you start playing with it. So yeah, thanks very much for watching.